Hello, everyone. So this is our MVP for our CCBD project, Medisphere. Medisphere is basically a medical tracking application. We have created this application using API gateways and a lot of AWS technologies. So first, we have the login page. Login page is integrated with Cognito, and it supports sign up, logging in, forgot password, and sign in with Google. So we have one of our friends' account already set up. So let's look into this. So this is the dashboard. Here we have a bunch of features available, like searching doctors, tracking your ailments, looking at the report histories. So these are all, we have integrated this with API Gateway, and there are a bunch of APIs which we are supporting via Lambda functions. So the first feature we are looking at is search doctors. This feature helps us to search for doctors in our locality. This uses our current location to find doctors with a given specialty. And here there are 4 counselors in our locality, and this is done using Elasticsearch on AWS, OpenSearch. Then next we have my ailments. So a user can tell us about their ailments, current ailments, and they'll be able to track all their progress throughout their ailment. So here in this case, the patient is tracking their diabetes ailment, and they will be able to set the dates to look at the tracking for that time period. So for diabetes, we are showing glucose level for now. So we have a lot of data coming in from a device that the user is having on them. So for now, we are considering the device as a black box, and we are getting hourly data from the black box. So the data consists of glucose levels of the user, plus there are a bunch of events there, like when the user is eating their food and all. So that way we would be able to do some machine learning on this data and provide the user with some intelligent inputs. So this will not be a part of MVP for now. So moving on, next user can upload their reports. So for example, let's upload the diabetes blood test report. After uploading, the user would be able to track their uploaded files in report history. Yes, as you can see, we have just uploaded this. So we have the report plus the date and time of the upload. So this way, the user avoids hassle of tracking their medical records. Next, we have the user profile. So this is also supporting the user data. So user can change their profile anytime. And this would help us to get records of their height and weight and blood type also, which would be important for our machine learning step. So this all these features are using AWS technologies like API Gateway, Lambda functions, Elasticsearch, Cognito, etc. This concludes our demo. Thank you.